When water supply error occurs, check if the water tap is not clogged. When this error occurs, remove the water supply hose and filter to see if they are clogged. For the water supply error, check the water pressure. If the pressure is weak, water may not be supplied. Current water pressure is 1.5 kilovolts. Water pressure needs to reach a certain level so that water can be supplied. We will look at how to check water supply valve when water supply error occurs. First, remove terminals and check resistance. The first wash valve is 5.2 kilo ohms. Wash valve is 5.4 kilo ohms. Steam valve is 5.3 kilo ohms. Shower valve is 5.3 kilo ohms. Therefore, all resistance is normal and not defective. If resistance is substantially low or high, the valve is defective. Let us check the voltage of water supply valve in test mode. Press wash, spin, and power button to enter the test mode. Press power for 4 times. The frequency of pressure switch is displayed, and the first wash valve is engaged. We have entered the test mode and applied voltage to first wash valve. Let us measure voltage. When measuring voltage, check it when the connector is connected. Valve vibrates when voltage is applied. Set voltage and AC range and measure. Voltage is AC 215 volts. Output voltage from PCB is normal. If voltage cannot be measured, PCB needs to be checked. If PCB triac is disconnected, voltage cannot be measured. When output voltage is not measured from PCB, check PCB first and then measure resistance of the particular water supply valve. Resistance is 5.4 kilo ohms, which is normal. For example, if the resistance is 2 kilo ohms, the valve is defective. When the valve is assumed to be defective, measure resistance of other water supply valves. And compare them. If the resistance is substantially low, determine it is defective.